In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a CV via email using your phone. So the first thing you want to do is go to your file manager or file system on your phone and find where your CV is saved. Now, once you locate your CV, just tap on it and then look for the Share option and tap on Share. Now, from the list of sharing options, just select Gmail, and once you tap on Gmail, it will automatically open the Gmail app for you. Now, your CV will already be attached to the email, so the next thing you want to do is type in the email address of the person or company you want to send your CV to. Now, after that, write your subject, so you can simply type CV or something like job application, depending on what you prefer. Now, once that's done, you can add a short message if you want, or you can leave it empty, and then just tap on the Send button. Now, when you see the message Sent Confirmation, that means your CV has been successfully sent by email from your phone. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.